Tick-tock.
Hey! Watch where you're going, filthy animal!
Well, took you long enough.
You son of a...
Language. Wouldn't want the little ones hearing, would we? Then again, that's probably not the biggest problem on their plate right now. They're too busy trying to chow down on my homemade pizza! Let me tell you, thought I was gonna lose a finger keeping them off it until you got here. Hungry kids, am I right?
Kids, go to your room.
But Nick...
Yeah, come on, Mom! We've been waiting so patiently! I mean, come on, where else are they gonna get to try fine dining like this?
Dying tickles.
Hey, show a little more appreciation, will ya? Points for effort, right?
You three, in your room, now!
Ooh, tough crowd. They definitely get that from you, though.
Why the hell are you here?
Oh, you know, just thought I'd swing by, see how you're doing. Wanted to reconnect. You know, spend some quality time with you guys.
Reconnect? Reconnect?
Fast as ever. Although you always did telegraph that left hook.
You don't need to walk in here after all these years and pretend to care about me!
Come on, you know contract jobs paid in droves compared to a measly 9 to 5. I was getting my hands dirty for us.
Us? Us? You've only ever cared about yourself! And if you ever listened, I told you I was done with that life!
Oh, there you go again, with the settling down bull. Who are you trying to fool, huh? I know you miss this rush, thrill, all coming together in a symphony of violence. This is who we are. You can't just walk away from that, Katana.
Do not call me that! It's Karen now!
Yeesh, Karen, huh? You had to choose the most generic name, and what? Poof! Suddenly all the blood you've spilled is gone? Sorry, hon. That's not how it works.
Shut up!
There it is. That glare. You can play house all you want, but that cold, dead look in your eye, that's the real you, Katana. The look of a killer. Actually, kiddos, I know your mom really well.
Don't even think about it!
And I'd like to get to know you, too, since, well... I'm your dad! dead?
Oh no, you don't get to call yourself their father. They're all I have, and I'm not letting you ruin my family!
Oh, now that's a story. Let your old man tell you all about how Mommy and Daddy met. Back then, we were more business partners. She did things her way, I did things my way. Regardless of that, your mom and I would go out killing.
Making a killin'. A killin' on, being caretakers.
What?
Yeah, you know how Mom is always taking on jobs? Well, we, did caretaking together.
Oh, yeah. Okay,
Yeah, definitely.
All right, caretakers. We were real good. Took care of a lot of problems permanently.
Yeah, took care of problems like sleeping. Lots of patients had trouble sleeping, so
We helped them sleep nice and long. Even gave them nice beds. Made of dirt about 50 feet underground.
That was just one time. It was a guy that was very particular about his sleeping arrangements.
Oh, you're jumping ahead to the spicy part. Your mom and I were on a very important job. High stakes, big time client, and wouldn't you know it, the deal goes belly up. Never been backed into a corner like that before. Yet through it all, something amazing blossomed. We relied on each other. Our movements, our instincts, finishing each other's attacks. We were unstoppable.